So now I'm under the channels section, and it takes me to all the different contributors to the GoNoodle site. So each one of these, I'm sure some of them are familiar, like Kids Bop. So we have some dancing. If I click those, under each video, you'll notice here that it kind of describes what exactly it's doing. So a lot of these are going to be, well, most of them are going to be guided dances. So if I go back to channels, let me just click MooseTube. I know has a lot of call and repeats. So here, that's because they're going to be your typical campfire songs. You'll notice that a lot of the flow will have breathe. A lot of these are also guided dances as well. So you get a nice mixture between the breathe, the guided dances, the Zumba. Some of them are going to say exercise, which is really cool because it really does make them work or work out. See at the bottom here. It tells you how long they are. One thing I wanted to show you is that at the beginning of each video, so let's just play this one, you'll see the ad here. I'm going to pause it. And so at the end of these ads, right before they play the video, they give you kind of a description of what these videos are meant to do. So in this video in particular, it's going to talk, actually work with coordination, body awareness, and gross motor skills. So it's kind of different for each one you choose. So let's compare that to flow. In flow, let's do a breathe. Let's see what they're going to have us do. Enhance focus, practice self-control, and breathe. So as you can see, it varies depending on which video you choose. Here, you're going to be working on a lot of the same body awareness, gross motor skills, managing stress, and stretching. Of course, we kind of got the stretching part from right here as it describes us as a stretching video. So these are the different channels. You'll kind of get used to it as you work with each one or if you just do some investigating. But depending on where you are in your lessons, you know, you could just do some of these for repeats and callbacks. It doesn't have to be for anything in particular, although you could use these channels towards your advantage for any lessons you choose. Or if you just notice that a lot of the kids are struggling sitting still, you could put on Zumba. This really helped last year in my classroom with the teacher I worked with. We would always collaborate on these and talk about which ones would be best for the students. These are going to be a lot of silly ones, so if you want a silly video, that's the one you go for. And that's it.